Attention speakers and authors, have you cracked the code to becoming the go-to speaker in your industry? If not, stick around. I'm Aaron Antelon. For more than a decade, I've been speaking at some of the most recognized events across the U.S. while hosting my own television program that is aired on some of the most watched networks. Want to learn the secret of the top 1% speakers that enables us to get rebooked after each event? According to industry insiders, it's all about a deep connection with the audience. Introducing our 3-part program, Lights, Camera, Action. While most speaker programs focus on crafting your signature talk, Pillar 1 Lights takes it a step further. We will dive deep into understanding how to use personality-based strategies to equip you with a skill set to connect with your audience's unique behavioral pattern. This deep connection is the proven system that results in consistent rebookings. Next up, Pillar 2, Camera. You take the stage and you deliver your finely tuned message to a room of engaged business professionals. We will professionally produce and edit your talk and provide you with a final copy. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, Pillar 3, Action. Your speech is not just heard by a room of engaged business professionals. We will broadcast it to tens of thousands of people on a television network. Now you might be thinking, television, that's a big leap. Let me assure you that our experienced team will guide you through every stage, turning what seems like a challenge into an exciting journey to amplify your voice. So the lights are on, the cameras are rolling. This is your moment. Take action now and schedule your call with us today. Together, let's transform your dream into reality.